Out.
Northern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Geauga in northeastern Ohio, southern Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, western Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Andover to near Orwell to near South Russell, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
8 to 2.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cortland, Middlefield, Kingsman, North Bloomfield, Orwell, Burton, Andover, Linesville, West Farmington, Adamsville, Pymatuning Central, Bristolville, Pymatuning North, Parkman, Huntsburg, Florida, Mecca, Johnson, Hartscroft, and Roaming Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Geauga, and Trumbull, in Crawford, Pennsylvania. This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG.